So I go to Memorio's website, and this is the website. You can go through the website, see some of the content. It's very brief, and it tells you why we buy Memorio, and the best way to sell a Memorio, of course, is to just showcase it. So we have some sample Memorios available that you can see, and when you're ready, you just click on register now. When you click there, you come to dashboard.memorio.in, which is where the studio is. Now you can either sign in here, put your email address and password and sign in. Or if you're new, you will have to register. If you click on register, you'll be asked to enter an email address and enter a password and confirm it. When you do this and click continue, you will be sent a mail, and that mail you will have to open in your email and go and click on the verify link. Once you click on the verify link, Memorio will know that now this email is really yours and you've not used somebody else's email address. And then it will continue with the registration process. If you don't want to do this, and I don't like to do this because that means one more password I have to remember. I prefer signing up with Google. So I'm going to do that. Now, when you sign up with Google, a lot of people feel that my Google account will become accessible to Memorio, and they will pick up all my mail and they'll read everything and they'll get all my data. That is not true. Google does not share all that data with it. Nahi to sign up with Google nahi chalta. The fact that it is working means Google is, so two things that Google shares is your email address, which you would have entered here anyways, and your name, which we ask you to enter. So only these two things are shared. So please sign up with Google if you have Gmail. Okay, don't take too much pain. And most places you can just use Google. It is safe. Okay, Google will not create an unsafe environment and share everything, all your information with other people. Wherever there is some additional information being shared, Google will show you that this site is asking for all of this additional information. Do you want to share? You can say no, don't share. Just share my email address and share my name, and Google will only share that much. So now I'm signing up with Google. There you go. Now you can see Google has given my email address and also my name. Everything else I have to enter. So I enter my phone number. Now I have to click on why I'm going to use this Memorio. What am I going to use it for? So I see tours and travel. Maybe I'll use it for my personal profile and for product promotion. Okay, these seem relevant for me. And then there's terms of service and privacy policy. And then I agree to sign. I agree to these. So sign me up. There you go. That's simple. And now I'm inside. This is where the Memorio gets created. Now, what I want to show you first, however, is to go back. This is the main screen. So next time you log in, you will actually come here. It is only the first time that we take people inside here so that they can start creating a Memorio. Also, when you come here, you will see a video on how to create a Memorio. But now that you're seeing this video, you don't need this video. So I'm going to click on don't show again. Let's go out again and just take a look at what is out there. So on the top is Memorio's logo. Nothing happens here. I can search for a project by its title, whatever title I may have entered. There's something that says get a free Memorio. Let's look at that. So there is a referral code. If you share this with your friends and if they buy a Memorio, then you get 1 credit free. You get 1 Memorio free. So this is a great value. Please go ahead and share this with your friends who you think might need a Memorio. Purchase credits. Again, this is where you can come and purchase credits. Remember, these are 3-month packs. U10 members will have a 12-month pack, and it's a separate special pack for you. So don't buy anything from here for now, at least not this time. This is the exit button. And this thing is my profile. So let me click on that. Now it showed K over there because my name starts with K. And it showed K because it didn't have a photo to show. So I'm going to click on this and create a photo. Now remember this profile, this is the thing that shows up at the end of the Memorio on the profile page. So all the contact info and everything that is here will be shown on your Memorios. So this is a very important thing to fill up. Now so I can add a logo here. What I will do is I will add U10's logo. Okay, but you should add your company's logo, or you can add your photo. If people know you by your photo, then that is a good way to go. Or if you have a company logo, then you can add your company's logo. Okay, I'm using U10's logo. You can use your logo. Or of course, I could just change that and say, no, I don't want to use a logo. I want to use, let's say, my photo. So I can go to pictures and I can pick up a headshot of mine, center it and say, okay, right? There you go. Now I can add my Insta profile. So do I have an Insta profile? Let me go to Instagram and pick up my profile from there. So either I can pick it up from here or I can search for Memorio's profile. Let's put Memorio's Instagram profile. So I'll copy the Memorio's URL and I will come here and paste it over here. Okay, now in my Instagram profile is added. I can also add the website and that should be good enough. I think I'm done here. So Telegram link, I don't have one. Facebook, I don't want to add. So I think I'm happy with this. With this, my profile is done. Now let's get back to our Memorio. Now on this Memorio, you have three parts. The first part is the project setting. This is where project related information or the theme of the project is set. The second part are the cards. I automatically get a title card. The title card is the card which shows up first. It only shows up as photos transitioning out. So if you saw the initial 4-5 photos that were coming and going, those are in the title card. And there is a title and a subtitle for the project. So that comes in the title card. The other cards that come by swiping, they can be created here. So I can keep adding new cards like this. And there are multiple types of cards and we will see some of them today. Okay. So the swipe cards that come when you swipe, those come by adding a new card. And then finally, we have the profile page, the last part. And you can see here that because I have website, Instagram, WhatsApp, and email, all of these are on. I didn't add a Telegram and Facebook link, so they are off. Now I can choose to turn things off and say, I don't want my WhatsApp. I just want my email, my Instagram, and my website to show up. I don't want people to WhatsApp me directly. I don't want my phone number going around because people will share to a lot of other people and then I don't want people bothering me unnecessarily. Or if I feel no, the WhatsApp is okay, I can turn it on. Okay. So the choice is yours. You can decide because this Memorio will get shared a lot. And then a lot of people will want to see it. And then a lot of strangers will see it also. So then you'll start getting spam and then you'll have to shut it down. Okay. So let's look at the title card. Or no, let's start here. So project settings, the first thing you see is preview image. You know what this preview image is? This is the image that shows up when you share a link. So let me give you an example. Have you seen? Okay. Let's take our Memorio for ZNMD. So I have some sample Memorios and let us pick a Memorio, a sample Memorio that I have. So let's pick up this one. Okay, close this. Now, if I ever share that link anywhere, for example, let's say I go to my LinkedIn or I go to Facebook. Let's say I go to my Facebook and over here, I paste my Memorio link. Just see what happens. What it has done is it has picked up a photo from somewhere. This is your preview photo, followed by Temple Tiger Trails. This is the title of the Memorio. And Speaking Wheels, this is the subtitle. So whenever you share your Memorio on WhatsApp or LinkedIn or Facebook or anywhere, the photo that comes up is the preview image. It is not part of your Memorio. It is part of the link. Okay. And of course, your title and your subtitle show up. So let's go back, close this. We go back here and say for our travel Memorio, let us choose a photo. Okay. So I have a lot of photos. Let's take a quick break here and talk about photos. These photos I have picked up from the web. Okay. Now for your Memorio, you will want beautiful pictures, right? That's the beauty of a Memorio. Now, where do you get these pictures from? And can you just pick up any picture and start using it? The answer is no. You better own that picture. Or that picture has to be licensed, needs to have a free creative license, Creative Commons license. Only such pictures can be used. Don't just go to anybody else's website and look at a picture and you think it's good and start taking that picture. Okay? Or going to Google Images also sometimes can be dangerous because you will end up picking up an image which you don't own. Okay. So where will you find this? Let me show you where you'll find beautiful pictures. Unsplash.com. This is a great place to find free, license-free pictures. Okay. So let's say I put beach photos. Okay. Now, are these free to use? Not all of them. Come here and under license, select free. And under orientation, let us pick up portrait. We will need landscape photos also for the cards because on the cards on the top, the photos format is landscape. But on our long form cards, the title card and some hero cards that we have, for those we need portrait photos. We need long photos. So here are some good beach photos that you can use, and they are free. Usually you should do load more because the real good ones come afterwards only. There you go. There are so many nice photos available. If you just say beach and you don't see people on it, then you can say beach photos with, let's say, family, because people also, it may not pick the right kind of people. So you can keep, searching for more relevant photos for yourself by adding search terms which are relevant to you. Okay. And then you can pick up these photos. These are safe to pick. They are all free photos. Right? Okay. So I have already picked up some photos. I will also show you some others that I picked up. So a travel Memorio is not a good Memorio if there is no food photo, right? People don't just travel to see the place. People also travel to enjoy the delicacies available in that place. So please don't forget, to put photos that, that really get people to want to go with you. Look at this lovely photo. So yeah, just take your pick, get ready, create a folder and put everything there. Once you put everything there, I have some long photos. I have some, so this is a great photo for a preview. It's nice and bright. So let's get back to creating our Memorio. So the preview photo, I'll pick this, I will size it. That looks great. Yeah. Now let's come to the title card. The title says Trial Memorio. I will say Goa is calling. And in the subtitle, I will say Emperor Travels. How about that? And I will put some photos. So I'll put some nice vertical photos. I like this one. I think this is good. I don't want to make it too big. I can actually expand it like this, okay? And take the entire photo. But then what happens is that there's more background and less person. And these things are best done by people, okay? So in your Memorio, don't just put things. Make sure that you have people there. Because without people, there's no life in a photo. Okay, so they're not attractive at all. So photos become attractive when you see people and when you see emotion. Okay, that's what moves customers. So you want to make sure that don't put beautiful things, put beautiful photos of happy people. What is this? Okay, there you go. More smiling people and a beach. Put them in there. You can put up to 5 photos, but at least put 3. Okay. Why 3? I'll tell you that too. Because after showing 3 photos, Memorio will automatically pull the first card. Okay. And I'll explain to you why we do that. I'm just going to save this. Again, you can see that Goa is calling is showing up here now and Emperor Travels is showing. If you don't want this, now title and subtitle are very important. Remember that when you share your link, the preview photo and the title and the subtitle, all 3 show up. So title and subtitle are important. But supposing in your photo you have some text over here, then this text and that text will fight. If you don't want to show the title on your card, you can just turn it off. And what that will do is it will take the title and subtitle away from here, but it will still keep it because you will need it when you share it. Okay. So the choice is yours. We have kept that because we found that people were putting photos with some text already in there in the photo, or maybe some branding or your logo or something is there. And now the title and that branding is fighting. So then you can turn it off. Otherwise, you can leave it there. So I'll just leave it there. Now we want to add a card where we call people. So they're seeing these photos. Maybe some music is going on in the background. I'll add some music also. So let me add music. I have also downloaded a music file, which is a soft piano music. It's added here. So it's nice. I'll leave it there. So now we've got music. Again, where do I get music from? So you can search for soft. There you go. See, it's already there in my soft piano music, ringtone download. And then there are all these sites where you can freely download music. You can listen to it. And then whichever one you like, you can just download it. Okay. And then upload it here. So that's for the music. Now we need a card. So let's look at a card. Now, the card I'm going to use is a message card because the first thing I want people to do after seeing those beautiful pictures is to get a message from my side. So I'm inviting them. Okay. let's go to Goa and let's have fun. So I need a good fun photo of people in Goa. Let me take this photo. Yeah. Sorry, that little girl is going to get cut out, but that's how it is. So let me get this. Say, okay, come with us. And I need a nice message. Now, I can never think of a good message when I have to write one. So what do? I go to the message writer, best message writer in the world. Sorry, may not be true, but to me, it's the best message writer. Hi, I'm creating some digital content for my customers for my potential customers for a tour to Goa. Can you share a 2-3 line message inviting them? There you go. Escape to the sun-kissed beaches of Goa for a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Unwind by the ocean, explore vibrant culture, ta 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 ta. Let Goa be your next paradise getaway. How nicely it's done. I couldn't have written this. I go back to Memorio and I paste it here. And what I will do is I will hit enter over here. So I get one line in the middle. Otherwise it'll become two. It'll feel like a paragraph and I don't want that. And who is the host? So who is inviting them? CEO, Emperor Travels. And instead of come with us, I should say, what are you waiting for? There you go. What are you waiting for? Escape to the sun-kissed beaches of Goa for a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Ta 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 ta. CEO Emperor Travels. Now, for some reason, I don't like this font. So I'm going to make some changes now. That's when I come to the left-hand side. Do I want light mode or dark mode? I'll keep it light. It's bright and sunny. Do I like these colors? Yeah, I don't mind the color. What about this? I think I'll go with this one. Now we come to the font. This is one. This is good. I like this. It's nice, spaced out. And let's see if I can put a decoration there. Let's put this one. Yeah, looks good. Cutout. What is a cutout? So these are shapes that you can put. I think I'll put this. It feels like a wave. Yeah, for a beach. Nice. Okay, that's done. Next card. So now I've invited these people. I'm inviting my customers. What are you waiting for? Let's go to Goa, right? And it's coming from the CEO of Emperor Travels. Now I want to add a hero card. Some water. So what will I get them excited over? How about this? Nah, they are already eating here. It's almost as if everybody's going to eat only. So we need something that's not about eating. Okay, this looks good. So what is this card for? Nothing. Just to create more emotion that you're going to have fun. They've just read something. Now, to break the monotony from the text, I like to add a photo because it's visually appealing. Now we can add another text card. This time, I'm going to use a general card. A general card is a card which has a photo and sections. Each section has a title, some body, and you can add a link, which will become a button. Okay. And it's a great way to give more information about something. So I want to tell them what the hotel is going to be like, for example. So I have a hotel room photo. Yeah, let's pick that. And I will say, enjoy 3-star. And I'm going to add a section about the hotel. And here I can put the name of the hotel and some content about the hotel. And then I will put a link to their website. So now what hotel should I use? So let's ask him. What is a good 3-star hotel in Goa? The Hawaii Comforts. Can you give me some info on facilities? There you go. So I'm going to copy the name of the hotel, the Hawaii Comforts, paste it here, and then I will take all of this, paste it here, and you can do a dash with a star, and that will make it bold. A dash, star, and what else? Additional amenities. Dash, star. Did I miss anything else? Rules. Dash, star. Okay, and then I will say show a link, check it out, and I will see if he doesn't know where it is. Let's look for Hawaii Comforts on Goa. And what will I do? I will take directions. Go here, click on this, share this location, copy the link, go to our dashboard, come here. which is submit. And then I will submit the card. There you go. Enjoy 3-star luxury, the Hawaii comforts, location, rooms, dining, additional amenities, and check it out. If I click here, oh, it goes to the Google map. No, I shouldn't have put the map. I meant to put the website. Hawaii comforts, the website. There you go. If they have to check it out, if they need the location, then that is okay. Then I should have put location there. But I said check it out, which means what I'm trying to say is that you need to see the hotel. So I'll put the hotel's link there, say submit, click check it out. It goes to the Hawaii Comforts. Great. So now my second card is ready. Let's add another card. I will add a hero card. You know how I am. After reading all that text, I feel bored. So I'm going to put a nice picture. Okay. And you will, of course, make sure that the correct relevant pictures are used. Okay. I'm just using these pictures. This is not the Hawaii Comforts for sure. So you better get the right pictures and put the right pictures. Otherwise, people will see something and they go there and they find something else. So don't do that. So yeah, I think this is great. And then maybe I'll put a contact card. And in the contact card, I will say, call us. No, not call us. Get in touch. Send in your information and I will have someone call you right away. And I can add some custom fields. So let's say I want to get their meal preference and I have some values, Jain, veg, non-veg, submit. So you can add up to 3 drop downs. It'll automatically create a drop down for you. Submit. Look at this. The meal preference is now created. Card is created. I think we are ready to publish our Memorio. Yeah, let's go. Publish. I can share on WhatsApp, I can share on Facebook, or I can just copy the link. So I'll just say copy and close it. And let's see what we've created. You can, of course, share it with yourself on WhatsApp and then check it out on how it looks on the mobile. Great. So that is our Memorio. Share it with people, put it on groups, put it on your Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, everywhere, and see how fast people come back to you and tell you, wow, what a beautiful piece of content you've created. There's one bit more. Let us see the analytics on this. You can see that there was 1 unique viewer, 1 total view, 1 profile view, and 1 Instagram visit. I click on the Instagram button. So your Memorio is safely being tracked. And there was a lead also, right? I filled up a form. So if you go to responses, you can see the name, phone, meal preference, message, and the date and time. How cool is that? You didn't need a developer. You didn't need a designer. You didn't need a website hosting person. You didn't need anything. You could do this on your own so easily and so fast. So I hope you enjoyed this. And I look forward to seeing your Memorios. So when you create them, please share it with me. Okay, I love to, there's nothing brings more happiness than to see our customers use our tools to create something beautiful. Okay, so please share and I'd be happy to even suggest something if you need my suggestions. So thank you very much. I'm going to sign off now.